We finally got one of these ones. We finally got one of those viral electric scrubbers that I think these ones are really good for both the kitchen and the bathroom. And also you can use it for many other things. Like for example, your car, if you want to clean the rims or something like that, you can use it as well. But for like the bathroom and the kitchen, it's going to be prime just because it comes. Well, number one, it is rechargeable, fully rechargeable. You don't have to actually plug it to the wall or anything when you're using it. Just check it out. As easy as it gets. And it comes with 2 speeds actually. So you can actually use it a little bit faster if you also need, which I think it is really cool. This is the one that is going to be, this head right here is going to be the one that is going to be the overall one that you're going to use for everything, you know, for like the corners, for your sink, for your bathtub, or your jacuzzi or things like that, your hot tub. You're going to use this one overall. But then you have so many other ones, which by the way, it comes with this adhesive pad that you can actually kind of like hang on the wall, and you can put it right there just for like storage purposes. So you can have this one, but then it comes with the one for the corners or tight spaces. This one, which is going to be again for like a flat surfaces, but a little bit more concentrated and also really nice and powerful. It also comes with this, which is the one that you're going to put, for example, for if you want to polish, let's say your car or something like that, you can use this one, which is really soft, as well as this one, which is also that is soft. And then you have a few other ones like this one, for example, which is specifically for cars and detailing. You know, this is going to be for detailing. It's kind of like a sponge one. And then this is going to be for scrubbing, like really hard scrubbing. Like for example, if you want to do your jacuzzi or something like that, you can do it with this one, which is going to be really, really strong. And then the 2 regular ones is going to be this one right here and this one. Easy to use. Just right here, USB-C port charger. Press the button. You can extend the poles if you also want, if you want to go a little bit deeper as well. But for example, if you want to do the sink or something like that, you can either remove everything just like this. You will remove the pole and just use it with your hand, or just use the pole, put it a little bit faster like this, and make of this one your new cleaning friend.